Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and I've got another bundle that's appeared by Synty, and this is their 4th bundle on the Humble Bundle store, and this is 17 of their packs. Some of these have never been seen before, and if you like Synty's stuff, it's got thousands of assets across dungeon realms, biomes, space, characters, werewolves, and all sorts. I'll show you everything that's in this bundle today, and I'll put all the links below to Unity sales, this bundle, and everything to get yourself free assets and all of the greatest Unity content. And if you do like this video too, be sure to throw a like on the video and make sure you're subscribed because it helps me out massively. Just a quick note, I am recording on my phone because there's some work going on upstairs in my house, so I apologise if it's toaster quality. Just to mention before we start the video, Unity have just started their $20 sale, which is over 200 assets at $20, and this is probably the lowest that a lot of these assets will ever go, and it's across between art packs, tools, and different hidden gems they might have never put on sale before, including my adventure puzzle kit if you're looking to get hold of it. There is a free asset on the Unity asset store which will be coming up because it's Thursday, and I'll link you to the page down below and you'll be able to use the code in the box at the top, which will get the asset for absolutely free. And then you can check out Humble Bundle's software bundles section if there's some tutorials and things for you, and there's 2 bundles that are very specific for you. Of course, this Synty bundle is important, but you can check out the Ultimate Game Dev Music bundle. This is 62 bundles of sound effects for horror, action, and everything in between. And they do actually also have the Becoming C# Unity Game Developer Tutorial package, which is 17 different tutorial bundles, which costs around £14 or $17. So when you're on the Humble page, you can see every asset down here, and you can see at the top it's made up of a 3, a 9, and an 18 bundle. The 18 bundles is around £24, around $30, and you can see the value on this side is around £700, or roughly $1,000. And you can see the 17 packs down this page in various different styles, and it does have a $10 voucher for the Synty store. So the first one is the Dungeon Realms pack, which is nearly 1,200 prefabs across characters, environments, buildings, props, weapons, vehicles, and visual effects, all in their famous style to do with dungeons, dwarves, and everything in between. The next one is the Polygon Kids pack, which is over 100 kids, 7 babies, and loads of attachments and accessories for children's playgrounds, adventure items, and loads and loads and loads of accessories if you need a game all about children doing crazy things. Next one is the Sci-Fi Soldier HUD, which is an interface with over 1,000 sprites and icons with various different examples, great for inventories even, and different UI samples to create HUDs, UIs, and everything in a sci-fi style. We've got the Meadow Forest Nature Biome, which is a beautiful looking nature set with trees, forests, flowers, and loads of materials, with over 75 different environmental shrubs, trees, and other assets, vehicles, and even particles in this pack too. We've got the Simple Space cartoon assets, which has got 130 different art, animation, and UI packs. And this is a space station, some details for out of space, anything that you could put on a moon or Mars with little rovers, and lots of different space rockets too. We've got the Simple Space Interiors, which is something to go with this, where you've got inside of space stations, you can grow plants, you've got scenery, you've got a control room, something inside a spaceship, which is a control room too, with over 130 different assets in that one. We've got the Simple Airport Cartoon Assets, which is another 130 assets with runways, aeroplanes, simple polygon people, and various vehicles and things that you would find in an airport too. We've got the Simple Space Characters cartoon assets to go along with what we've already seen, with various different scientists, astronauts, and other simple characters. We've got the Polygon Dog Pack, which has animated dogs of almost any breed with cool little dog accessories, with little houses, training equipment, and some quirky things there too. We've got the Base Locomotion Pack, which will bring your characters to life, whether you need this for things for running, walking, doing basic movements, and this is over 274 different animation clips for creating basic movements, and it does come with the base character that you can see in the video too. Got the Polygon Construction Pack, everything that you need if you wanted to make your own construction yard, with big cranes, massive vehicles, construction-based characters, and loads of accessories for things for construction equipment and everything that you would find around yards like this. We've got the Simple People 3 cartoon assets, which is another set of randomized people across different styles, whether you need that for sailors or random generics, or people of different skin colours and races too. We've got the Simple Temple cartoon assets. Again, this is a selection of different interior and exterior temple environments with cool props and things like pillars and stuff suited in that style, including a gold room. Got the Simple Port cartoon assets, which has got various boats, shipping containers, water assets, little dioramas for towns and buildings, and silos and things like that too. We've got the Particle FX pack with over 100 different particles across fire, water, smoke, dust, dirt, blood, nature, weapons, magic, and so much more. And it probably has almost every single particle you can imagine. Then we've got the Polygon Werewolf pack, which I don't know when you'd use it, but why not if you wanted something for a bedtime story for children? Well, it could be perfect with a werewolf that's fully rigged with 22 different accessories where you can change the head and other things within it, with 2 colour variants too. Last one in the list is the Simple Office cartoon, which is various interior asset props for desks, computers, toilets, and everything you would find in a generic office to spruce up this area. Do remember there is that $10 coupon for the Synty store, so you can grab a pack, which might be something that you want to do in the future. Do check out this bundle and let me know if you get hold of it, because I'm always interested to know. Now, if you do want to purchase this and redeem this, you could choose whichever bundle that you want. You can make sure you head to checkout. You can choose pay and checkout as long as you're happy. And once that's done, you'll get your order completion and you will click to get your software. You can see you'll have a voucher for whatever tier it is and the $10. You can click here to get redemption instructions. This will tell you to navigate to the Synty website, and from there, make sure you log into your account. You can click on to click here to redeem your key, and then it will add everything to your basket, which will be the tier 3, including any of the coupons, and it will output this at $0 for you, and you can just click to complete the order. Then you can click on orders when you're on your account, and you'll be able to see which has been added most recent, and then you can click on each of these assets and download the files. You can even do that from your account in My Downloads as well. I'll put all the links down below, and do be sure to check out my Patreon too to get over 225 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Massive thank you to Pete Steiner, Vera Schuther, David and Jennifer for their amazing support, and thank you to everybody else who comes to watch the video. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.